Exercise 2.4. Example 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Shobo's mother's present age. First condition is Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Let Shobo's present age, Shobo's present age be X. His mother's present age, according to the condition, it is 6 times Shobo's present age. Therefore, present age of Shobo is 6. 6 times 6 multiplied by X is the age of his mother. Years. Apply the second condition now. Shobo's age after 5 years. 5 years from now means after 5 years will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. After 5 years, Shobo's age is equal to, after 5 years, Shobo's age will be X plus 5. And according to the condition, it is 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age. It is the second condition. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. X plus 5 is equal to 2x. Transpose 2x to left hand side. Plus 2x will be minus 2x. Transpose plus 5 to right hand side. Plus 5 will be minus 5. X minus 2x minus x. Different signs. Therefore, subtract. 2x minus x is x and sign of bigger number. Minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. X is equal to 5. X is Shobo's present age and it is 5 years. Therefore, his mother's present age is equal to 6 multiplied by x is 5 is equal to 30 years. Shobo's age is 5 years. Question 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Solution. First is, there is a narrow rectangular plot. Plot is narrow and rectangular. Plot is narrow and rectangular. This is plot. This is length and this is breadth. And their ratio is given. Ratio is 11:4. Ratio of length and breadth is 11:4. Let length be 11x and breadth be 4x. It is rectangular, therefore opposite sides are equal. Therefore, this is 11x. This length is equal to this length and breadth is equal to breadth as it is rectangular. Now apply the second condition. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Cost of fencing this plot is 75,000 and rate of fencing is rupees 100 per meter. Cost of fencing plot is equal to length of this plot means perimeter, sum of all sides. Sum of length of all sides means perimeter multiplied by cost of fencing for 1 meter. Cost of fencing for 1 meter is 100 rupees. Then how much for this length? Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 twice the length, 11x plus 11x, and 4x plus 4x means twice 11x means 2 into the bracket 11x. 2 multiplied by 11x means twice 11x plus 2 multiplied by 4x means 2 multiplied by 4x. So perimeter is 2 11x plus 4x multiplied by rate of fencing for 1 meter. 11x plus 4x is 15x multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100. 30x multiplied by 100 for 1 meter 100 rupees. Then how much for 30x meter? And cost of fencing plot is given, and that is 75,000 rupees is equal to multiplied by 100 will be divided by, after changing the side, 0 0 gets cancelled. Here 30x, 30 multiplied by x, it will be also divided by after changing the side. Therefore 750 divided by 30 is equal to x. 30 multiplied by x, and after changing the side it will be 750 divided by 30 gets cancelled, and x is equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 25. It is x. Therefore 11x, 11 multiplied by 25 is equal to 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 5 is 27. 275 meter is the length, and breadth is equal to 4x is equal to 4 multiplied by 25 is equal to 100 meter is breadth. These are the dimensions of rectangular plot. This is 275 meter length and 100 meter breadth.